We are pleased to show you the 2011 Sonata. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, auto express down window, beverage holders, reclining seats, side airbag system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.